Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra sepi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro haka jingdap sans nem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Loan So Po Shillong. One ban thiet ya ka kali Datsun Ready Go bathamai ka bas kem bat bidor. Ka Sorkar Jylla haka arterik unopra arjar arpo kala syong ban Ïathir yatai sani bha ban wat yakilat kilenti kumno ban ailat yaki reungai Khristan ki badai ki nongshok shnong hapo ka Jylla Meghalaya bakin yolat ban rakhi pura ya ka Lehniam Christmas ka bajulong shisen shisnem. Menteri rangba jong Jylla konrad ke sangma habaya kren bat kilat pathai kubor ulayathu baka Sorkar kalaban shet yakani kakam hagi deputy commissioner jong ki district baper jong Jylla bakin ya selok bat ki kenhon balang Khristan baper hashwa ban penmi yaki kendon lani ka standard operating procedure kenang baka jing Lehniam Christmas ka baki Khristan ki juraki ken mau buram ya ka jingwan long breu jong khunlong Jisu syakani ka slaperthai kanom dan kano ka jing khanglat kumba kilamat dangha ka jing rakhi ya ka Lehniam Good Friday ne ka jing kan mau ya ka jing sha shtom jong trai Jisu Christ hagini ki banai baladep mentaus nem arjar arpo.
So we had a basic review of the COVID situation in the state, especially keeping in mind the festive season which has already begun and which will only pick up during the course of this month. So it is important that we come up with basic guidelines and, if necessary, protocols to ensure that people are safe, because we have a tendency that during festive seasons we do tend to let down our guards. So therefore, keeping that in mind, we have decided to have consultations extensively with different stakeholders. So the deputy commissioners will be asked to hold different meetings with different stakeholders to get their feedbacks, and after getting the feedback from them, within a few days' time, or maximum hopefully within a week's time, we'll be able to come up with some guidelines for this festive season. But I think in general I would like to appeal through the media to all our citizens that Christmas time, of course, is a time where we all are in a festive mood. So I would urge that whatever we do, we should always keep the discipline and the safety aspects always there, and as usual maintain all the protocols that we have been maintaining for the past many months. Apart from that, there were certain activities in relation to certain sports which have been now permitted. So a lot of football matches have been taking place, so permissions for that have been taken. So certain games like football and one or two other outdoor and indoor games will be allowed. The list is not available with me right now, but it can be given to the political department. So certain games and certain sports are allowed. Apart from that, in general, we just reviewed also the number of cases, positive cases that are there in the state as of now, and we are seeing that the overall trend is coming down, and the number of positive cases is coming down, which is a good message. But I think it's important that we shouldn't let our guards down, and we should always ensure that we maintain the basic protocol.